Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to unbox this key fob for my Model Y. So this key fob, if you order this from Tesla, it comes with a plastic bag. And if you're wondering what is this LDPE mean, that means low density polypropylene. And so inside of this bag you have a box, and surprise, it says 3. Even I ordered a Model Y key fob, it still says Model 3. I guess both vehicles share the same key, so it doesn't really matter. So let's take this thing out. Okay, what's on the bottom? It says Tesla, blah 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 blah. Okay. All right, it is a pretty good looking box. I have to see that black plus red, classic. All right, nice. All right, here there's a sticker. You need to break this sticker in order to open the box. Can I open this with one hand? Yes. Whoa, let's look at this. It is shiny, fresh out of the box. That's the key fob. Right, come with 2 Qum batteries. Beautiful. It's really shiny and it's really light. All right, if you're not sure how big this thing is, let me put this on the steering wheel to give you a reference. So it's not too big, not too small. It's a little bit smaller than the regular car remote key fob, and it is pretty light. I have to say, this is a good looking key fob, and also very expensive too. Right, there you go. That's the Tesla Model Y key fob.